DNA data plays a vital role in today's beef cattle business. Bill Bowman with the American Angus Association explains how genomic information is used in everything from EPDs to parentage verification.
Over the past few years, we've really seen the use of the words DNA and genomics have come into everyone's vocabulary. Again, whether we're talking about parent verification of animals, if we're looking at testing for genetic abnormalities, or now identifying animals for particular traits such as growth or marbling. We encourage breeders to collect DNA samples. Usually just a blood sample on an FTA card is by far the easiest and most economical way to collect those samples. Even if you're not sure of the use of those samples immediately, just having those archived on different animals in your herd can be a valuable asset if you do need to do some testing at some point in time. We currently would use DNA cards to do parent verification that is used to identify the sire or the dam of an individual calf. There's been a lot of technological advances in the genomic tests that we now have available. They include hundreds or even thousands of markers for individual traits, but even as powerful as those tools are, they still don't account for all of the genetic variation for a particular trait. And so it's still very important to incorporate all of the various sources of information into those genetic predictions to make the best decisions possible. The best tool available that incorporates all the information is the EPD and its associated accuracy. Rather than making selection on individual weight records, whether it's a birth weight or a weaning weight, or individual genomic scores or percentile ranks, if we can use the EPDs, it incorporates all of that information, all the pedigree information, and all the progeny data on an animal to give us the most powerful selection tool that's available.